Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Iconic Coach presenting this beautiful 2002 911 Cabriolet. Beautiful car, as you can see from the condition, the paint, the headlights, nice and crystal clear. Wheels, tires, excellent shape. Finished in a beautiful Arctic silver metallic, graphite interior. See all the door panels, seat surfaces look very, very well maintained. Center console usually is all scratched up. If you can see all the buttons, very nice. Heated seats, dashboard, beautiful shape. Floor mats nice and clean. This car came with the wheel caps, the colored crests, supple leather, technique package, heated seats, power package, graphite gray top, and the Porsche crest in the headrest as well. Another interesting fact about this car, it is a Carrera 4. Driver's seat also excellent shape. Steering wheel, very nice. 109,000 miles, but at 97,000 miles, if you look on the Carfax, there was an engine overhaul, which the IMS bearing was completed, as well as the entire motor was rebuilt. I think the listing at High Tech Auto. Open up the top real quick, go through that function. All right, if you're looking for a beautiful Porsche with excellent service history, very clean, just in time for the warmer weather coming our way, give us a call. We can help ship this all across the country, even internationally if needed. 858-382-1319. This car would definitely benefit from ceramic coating to keep the paint looking outstanding, which we can do here. Give us a call, 858-382-1319, and the images and video and Carfax are available on our website at iconiccoach.com. Thank you.